Guys, please excuse my voice. I am sick, as I have been for the last 2 weeks. But this is the chapter 8 discussion about learning management. So my experience with creating a Google Classroom was extremely easy. All I had to do was click the plus sign and it made a little side chart, and you could click on create class or join class, and then you click if you're an educator or a student, and boom, there it is, it's done. And the nice thing is it creates a class code for you, and that's how you can get your students to join that class. And it also helps you create codes for Google Meets, kind of like Zoom. So if you need to do that with your class, that's nice. It can generate a code for you and your students to meet on. And when it comes to the LMS that I'm familiar with Google Classroom, as that is what I used all throughout high school and even in middle school. I'm also familiar with PowerSchool because that's what we used when I was in school to check our grades and stuff like that. And right now we're using Alma, so I'm also familiar with that. And I'm also familiar with Canvas, as that's what we use at my district that I work at. And I'm also familiar with Blackboard, which, as we all know, is what we use here at FHSU. Alright, that's all I got. Thanks.